Hi, I'm Katie, your safety trainer, and today we're going to talk about caught in or between hazards. Whether you're on a construction site, doing landscaping, working in a warehouse, or in another type of workplace, these hazards can be present. Some industries might have a higher risk, but it's important for everyone to be aware. In this video, we'll define what caught in or between hazards are, distinguish between caught in and caught between hazards, and discuss some safe work practices. These tips will help you minimize the risk of injury when dealing with these hazards. Let's dive in. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, defines caught in or between hazards as injuries resulting from a person being squeezed, caught, crushed, pinched, or compressed between two or more objects or between parts of an object. Enjoying this safety video? There's more where that came from on Got Safety Lite. Sign up for free and gain access to our library of over 1,800 safety videos. If we don't have the lesson you're looking for, we'll make it at no cost. Click the link to sign up today. When we talk about caught in hazards at a job site or workplace, there are several situations to watch out for. These hazards range from cave-ins at trenches and excavations, often caused by loose soil, to extremities being pulled into moving parts of machinery, heavy equipment, or power tools. This usually happens if proper lockout or tagout procedures aren't followed or if guards are improperly removed or modified. Other examples include automatic or manual doors that could close unexpectedly or hydraulic systems failing. Being aware of these hazards is the first step in preventing accidents and ensuring your safety. Caught between hazards are slightly different from caught in hazards, focusing on scenarios where you might find yourself squeezed or crushed between objects. Examples include getting caught between moving heavy equipment and a stationary object like a wall or stacked materials. Another risk is finding yourself between two moving pieces of heavy equipment or vehicles. There's also the possibility of being caught between moving attachments and stationary parts on machinery. Recognizing these situations can help you stay alert and avoid potentially dangerous encounters. When facing caught in or between hazards at your workplace, here's how you can protect yourself. First, always tie back long hair and remove all jewelry to avoid entanglements. Wear close-fitting clothing as per your company's policies. Before using or performing maintenance on any vehicles, heavy equipment, machinery, or power tools, check for warning and safety labels that highlight caught-in hazards. If these labels are damaged or illegible, report them to your supervisor immediately and replace them as needed. Ensure that all moving parts on vehicles, heavy equipment, machinery, and power tools are properly guarded, following the manufacturer's instructions and your company's guidelines. If you had to open or remove guards for maintenance or to switch components, make sure these guards are replaced and securely fastened before using the equipment again. Always report any equipment with missing, modified, or damaged guards. And make sure to keep all your extremities away from those moving parts on the machinery and power tools. Maintain a safe distance from moving vehicles and heavy equipment, and be constantly aware of your surroundings while navigating the workplace. Always make sure to alert equipment and vehicle operators to your presence, especially in areas where there might be blind spots. Avoid placing yourself between moving vehicles or equipment and stationary objects. Never walk or stand under lifted loads or heavy equipment attachments. Confirm that all loads carried by equipment are stable and secured according to your company's policies. If applicable, always wear your seatbelt to reduce the risk of being ejected from the cab in case of a vehicle or equipment tip over or rollover. For trenches or excavations deeper than 5 feet, ensure they are properly sloped, shored, or protected against soil movements as required by your company's safety protocols and all relevant regulations. Report any non-compliant trenches or excavations to your supervisor. By taking these precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and ensure a safer workplace for yourself and your colleagues. To wrap up, caught in or between hazards are common in many workplaces. However, by taking proactive steps, you and your coworkers can significantly reduce the chances of accidents. Always stay informed about the specific hazards related to vehicles, heavy equipment, machinery, and power tools at your site. If you have any questions or concerns about these hazards, make sure to discuss them with your supervisor. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to connect with us on social media. And remember, stay safe out there. Distinguish between. If you had to open or remove guards for maintenance or switch components, or two. I missed a word there. Oh no.